Self classes spoken English. Past perfect tense. Interrogative 100 sentences. चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे. या लिया था, ली थी, लिए थी. गया था, गई थी, गए थी. Had plus subject plus we 3 plus object. Had I finished my work? Had I eaten food? Had I gone home? Had I told the truth? Had I made a mistake? Had you reached on time? Had you completed the task? Had you seen the movie? Had you met your friend? Had you called me? Had he come earlier? Had he finished the work? Had he eaten lunch? Had he started the class? Had he left the place? Had she cooked food? Had she done her homework? Had she passed the exam? Had she written the letter? Had she cleaned the house? Had it started raining? Had it stopped working? Had it broken down? Had it become dark? Had it improved earlier? Had we reached safely? Had we completed the project? Had we won the match? Had we learned the lesson? Had we made a plan? Had they arrived before us? Had they finished their work? Had they seen the teacher? Had they solved the problem? Had they paid the fees? Had you bought a new phone? Had you opened the door? Had you closed the window? Had you sent the message? Had you received my call? Had he changed his decision? Had she learned driving? Had it affected you? Had we discussed this topic? Had they accepted the offer? Had you checked the answer? Had you prepared for the exam? Had you filled the form? Had you submitted the file? Had you joined the class? Had he explained the rule? Had she forgotten my name? Had it helped you? Had we followed the rules? Had they broken the glass? Had you met the teacher earlier? Had you practiced speaking? Had you improved your English? Had you remembered the lesson? Had you tried again? Had he repaired the bike? Had she washed the clothes? Had it ended earlier? Had we made progress? Had they reached safely? Had you taken breakfast? Had you drunk water? Had you brushed your teeth? Had you changed your dress? Had you locked the door? Had he lost his bag? Had she found the key? Had it become easy? Had we understood everything? Had they learned the lesson? Had you followed my advice? Had you gained confidence? Had you achieved your goal? Had you solved the question? Had you faced any problem? Had he made a promise? Had she told the answer? Had it helped us? Had we done our duty? Had they supported you? Had you played cricket? Had you read the newspaper? Had you heard the news? Had you attended the meeting? Had you missed the bus? Had he called you before? Had she invited you? Had it started on time? Had we planned the trip? Had they enjoyed the party? Had you learned something new? Had you felt happy? Had you helped anyone? Had you worked hard? Had you slept well?